Hi everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. I am making this video for the beginners who just started to learn sewing. In my learning days, plackets seemed to be very complicated for me to make, but I managed to learn it in this way, which I am gonna show you today, after which it will be the easiest thing you have ever learned. So let's quickly get started. First of all, fold your top or kurti from the middle and go 7 inches down to mark a point. Now cut it till this point. The strip which is going to come outside of our placket will be 8.5 inches longer and 3.5 inches wider. Now mark the points and make a rectangular box like this and cut on to the markings. I am taking this strip in contrast color, but you can also take it from the leftover fabric of your kurti or top. Now let's cut another strip which is going to be the inside strip of our placket. The length of the strip should be the total length of the cut we had made before to our top plus half inches. You can take 1 inch also, and width will be 2.5 inches. Now again make a box and cut on to the markings again. Now cutting part is done. Let's come to the stitching part. Turn your top to the wrong side. Now to this side we will put this longer strip, and to the other side this shorter one from the wrong side facing you. Now fold your strip from the top about quarter inch or so and sew it by giving a straight stitch to the edges. Now do the same to the other side also. Here you can see I am stitching leaving around half an inch. I put pins here instead of markings, and I'm gonna stop my stitching till this point and lock it by giving a reverse stitch. For this strip also I will follow the exact procedure, folding it from the top, giving reverse stitch and then straight stitch. Now stop till the markings and lock it. Here I am using different color thread just to show you the stitches, but you have to use the matching color thread. Now turn your top to the right side. Now to the end just give a small slits to both the sides so that we can turn our strips easily onto the front side. Turn this strip to the right side, fold it in this way and put this around half an inch inside so that the stitches made before cannot be visible. Now we are going to give a top stitch to all over the sides. You need to start your sewing from the top. Now keep your presser footer up, turn your fabric, presser footer down and start sewing to the edges again. I already folded the lower part of the strip inside around quarter inch, and I'm gonna sew it and lock it. So now that the one side of our placket is ready, let's turn the other strip to the right side and fold it around 1 inches or so, and put this entire fold onto the top without folding the edges of your top. In the bottom also do the same thing and give a stitch to all over the sides. Before stitching, I had put some pins. This step is a must for beginners for making the width of your strip even from the top till the bottom. Now I am stitching just near to the edges, keeping the footer up, turning the fabric, presser footer down, removing the pins and start sewing again. Here you may notice that I had not removed the fabric from my machine once, and I am continuously stitching by keeping the presser footer up and thus changing the sides. In this way only you will get the finishing look in your garment, and don't forget to remove pins before stitching or else your needle may break. If the folded fabric is visible, then put it inside first and then give the top stitch, else it will not look good. Now lock it again. Now set the outside strip on top of this such that the inside one will not be visible. Now from the bottom mark 1 inches upward and give a stitch till that point. After stitching it will look like this. Now we will put loops on it. I already made this 1/4 inch wide strip just as we make dories. If you want to know how I made it, the link is in the description box below. I had cut these strips into 4 pieces as I will put 4 loops here. This I took 4 inches longer, but you can take as per your requirements. Now fold the top part and put it onto the placket like this, and do the same thing to the other end. Place it like this and give a stitch near to the edges. These foldings cover around 1/2 inch of a space, so divide the distance equally according to the length of your placket and give a stitch 2-3 times like this. I'm done with stitching the loops. Now I will add some buttons here. For that, set your loops properly and mark the points where you want to add buttons. I had done the markings. And now I am gonna add buttons by giving hand stitch. So this concludes our designer placket tutorial. By using this method, you can make your placket easily with no time. So do try it and share your experience with me in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.